Destroy the Old You and Rebuild Yourself, written and published by Book Boost. There comes a time in life when you feel stuck. No matter how hard you try, things don't change. It feels like you are running in circles, facing the same problems again and again. But what if the real problem is not outside, but inside? Maybe the person you are today is holding you back. The habits, thoughts, and fears you carry are stopping you from growing. What if the only way to move forward is to leave the old version of yourself behind? This is not about small changes. This is about transformation. Breaking free from everything that no longer serves you and creating a powerful new version of yourself. A version that is stronger, wiser, and ready to face anything. In this journey, you will learn how to destroy the old you and rebuild yourself into someone unstoppable. Stay with us till the end, because every part of this journey will bring you closer to the person you are meant to be. This is Book Boost, where we bring you the best lessons for personal growth. If you find this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. Breaking free from your limits. The old version of a person is built from their past mistakes, past fears, and past beliefs. But the past is not a prison. It only becomes one if a person refuses to change. To move forward, they must break the chains that hold them back. Many people stay the same because they believe change is too difficult. They think, this is just who I am. But that is not true. Who they are today is just a collection of habits and thoughts repeated over time. And anything that is repeated can also be changed. The first step to breaking free is understanding what is stopping them. Is it fear? Is it self-doubt? Is it the opinions of others? The person who wants to grow must ask themselves, what is keeping me in the same place? Fear is one of the biggest traps. It whispers, what if you fail? But failure is not the enemy. The real enemy is never trying. Every successful person has failed many times. They did not succeed because they were perfect. They succeeded because they refused to quit. Another limit is self-doubt. Many people do not believe in themselves, not because they are weak, but because they have listened to negativity for too long. If they tell themselves every day that they are not good enough, they start to believe it. But the truth is, every person has the power to grow. Toxic habits also keep people stuck. Wasting time, negative thinking, comparing themselves to others. These habits drain energy and confidence. A person who wants to rebuild themselves must let go of these habits one by one. One of the strongest limits is the fear of what others will think. Many dreams die because people are afraid of being judged, but no one else will live their life for them. No one else will face their regrets. In the end, the only opinion that truly matters is their own. To break free, a person must take control of their mind. The mind believes whatever it is told repeatedly. If someone tells themselves every day, I am strong, I am capable, I am growing, their mind will start to believe it. Growth starts with small actions. If someone wants to be more confident, they must practice confidence. If they want to be disciplined, they must start with small acts of discipline. Every action, no matter how small, builds the foundation of the new self. A powerful way to break free is to change the environment. If someone is surrounded by negativity, they must step away. If they are stuck in routines that no longer serve them, they must create new ones. A fresh environment brings fresh energy. One of the biggest lessons in transformation is understanding that discomfort is part of growth. Change will not always feel easy. But just like a seed must break open to become a tree, a person must go through discomfort to become stronger. The moment someone decides to let go of their old limits, they will feel resistance. Their mind will try to pull them back into old patterns. But this is a test. If they push through, they will see a new version of themselves start to take shape. A person who wants to rebuild themselves must be patient. Change does not happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and faith. But every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. One important lesson is to stop waiting for the perfect time. Many people delay change because they are waiting for the right moment. But the right moment never comes. The only right time is now. Another lesson is to take responsibility. Blaming circumstances or other people keeps a person stuck. True power comes when they say, I am in control of my life. I decide who I become. Letting go of the old self does not mean forgetting the past. It means learning from it, taking the wisdom, and using it to build a better future. The past is already written, but the future is a blank page. A person who understands this will stop living in regret and start creating the life they want. Transformation is not about becoming someone else. It is about becoming the best version of who they were meant to be. Once a person starts breaking free from their limits, something magical happens. They begin to see possibilities they never saw before. They realize they were capable all along. This is just the beginning. Breaking free is the first step. Now, it is time to start building something new. The journey continues. Rebuilding with purpose. The old version of a person is gone. But breaking free is only the first step. Now comes the most important part, building a stronger, wiser, and better version of oneself. This is where true change happens. A person who wants to rebuild themselves must start with their mind. Thoughts shape actions, and actions shape life. If negative thinking controlled the past, now is the time to replace it with belief, confidence, and a clear vision for the future. Every great transformation begins in the mind. Discipline is the foundation of this new self. The old version may have been controlled by laziness or distractions, but the new version must be different. Every great achiever follows a daily routine that pushes them toward their goals. Waking up early, exercising, learning, and staying focused. These small habits create big results. Growth comes from learning. A person who truly wants to rebuild themselves never stops improving. Reading, gaining new skills, and surrounding themselves with the right people will shape them into someone better. The old version may have stayed in the comfort zone, but the new version must step out and face challenges with courage. Taking action is more important than waiting for the right moment. Many people keep waiting for the perfect time, but the truth is, there is no perfect time. The new self must take the first step, no matter how small, and keep moving forward. Every great journey begins with action. Failures are not the end, they are lessons. The old version might have given up easily, but the new version understands that failure is just a part of growth. Instead of feeling defeated, they learn, improve, and try again. Every mistake brings them closer to success. Letting go of the past is necessary. The old version may have held on to regrets, mistakes, and pain, but the new version understands that the past cannot be changed. The only thing that matters is what they do now. Rebuilding means focusing on the present and creating a better future. Patience is key. Transformation does not happen overnight. The new version must trust the process and stay consistent. Even if results are not visible immediately, every small effort adds up over time. Growth is slow, but it is always happening. Choosing the right people matters. The old version may have been surrounded by negativity, but the new version understands that the environment affects growth. Being around positive, motivated people helps in becoming stronger and more focused. Health is the foundation of success. A weak body cannot carry a strong mind. The new version takes care of their health, eats better, exercises, and gets enough rest. When the body feels good, the mind works better. Breaking bad habits is a must. The old version might have wasted time on distractions, unhealthy choices, or negative thoughts. The new version replaces those with habits that bring real progress, reading instead of scrolling, exercising instead of being lazy, and focusing instead of complaining. Self-doubt has no place in this new life. The old version may have questioned their abilities, but the new version knows that everything is possible with effort and persistence. Confidence is built by taking action and proving to oneself that they are capable. Gratitude changes everything. The new version does not complain about what they lack, but focuses on what they have. Appreciating small things brings peace and positivity, making the journey of growth much smoother. Helping others brings true fulfillment. The old version may have focused only on personal struggles, but the new version understands that giving support, sharing knowledge, and lifting others up also brings happiness and success. Setting goals gives direction. The new version does not live without purpose. They write down what they want to achieve, make a plan, and take steps every day toward those goals. A person without goals is like a ship without a destination. Adapting to change is necessary. The old version may have resisted change out of fear, but the new version embraces it. Life is always moving, and those who are flexible and open-minded find more opportunities and growth. Inner peace is more powerful than anything else. The new version does not waste energy on unnecessary fights, negativity, or things they cannot control. They focus only on what matters and let go of everything else. Happiness comes from within. The new version does not wait for external things to bring happiness. They understand that true joy comes from self-growth, gratitude, and living with purpose. Confidence, discipline, and persistence. These are the qualities that shape the new self. Rebuilding is not just about looking different on the outside. It is about becoming unshakable from within. This journey is not easy, but it is worth it. The new version of oneself is stronger, wiser, and ready to take on life with full force. And once this transformation is complete, there is no going back. Embracing your new identity. The journey of transformation is never easy. There will be moments of doubt, moments of fear, and moments when the old self tries to return. But the person who chooses to rebuild must not look back. They must trust the process, no matter how difficult it seems. At first, everything feels unfamiliar. The mind resists change, craving the comfort of old habits. But growth never happens in comfort. It happens when a person pushes beyond their limits, refusing to settle for less. Each small step forward matters. The way they think, the choices they make, and the actions they take every day shape their new identity. The past no longer controls them. They have the power to decide who they want to become. The strongest version of oneself is not built in a day. It is built through discipline, patience, and belief. Every time they overcome a challenge, they become stronger. Every time they break a negative habit, they move closer to their best self. There will be voices, both inside and outside, that say change is impossible. But the one who truly wants to rebuild must not listen to them. They must listen to the voice within that whispers, "Keep going." The people around them may not understand this transformation. Some may doubt them. Some may try to pull them back into their old ways. But the person who is determined to grow does not need approval. They walk their own path with confidence. True change is not about pretending to be someone else. It is about discovering who they were always meant to be. It is about removing the layers of fear, doubt, and hesitation that have been holding them back. They no longer react to life the way they used to. They no longer let failures break them. Instead, they learn, they adapt, and they rise. Every mistake becomes a lesson. Every setback becomes a setup for a greater comeback. Happiness is no longer something they chase. It becomes a part of them because they are no longer controlled by negativity. They see life differently. They appreciate every moment and focus only on what truly matters. The new version of themselves is not built on fear. It is built on courage. It is built on self-respect. They no longer seek validation from others because they know their worth. They stand strong, no matter what. The past no longer defines them. The old self no longer limits them. They have become the kind of person who keeps moving forward, no matter how tough the road gets. They have learned that nothing changes until they change. And now, they are ready to embrace their new self completely. There is no going back. Every great transformation comes with a test. Life will challenge them to see if they are truly ready for this change. But they will not break. They will not quit. Because they have already left behind the person who would have given up. The future is no longer a place of fear. It is a place of endless possibilities. They are no longer the person they used to be. They are stronger, wiser, and more focused than ever. Every struggle was worth it. Every painful moment was necessary. Because without them, they would not have discovered their true strength. Now, they walk with confidence, knowing they have rebuilt themselves into someone unstoppable. They are no longer a prisoner of the past. They are the creator of their future. There is no more hesitation, no more looking back, no more doubts, only forward, only growth, only the life they have chosen to build. And this is just the beginning, because the person who dares to rebuild never stops growing. They keep rising, keep learning, and keep becoming better than they were yesterday. This is the power of transformation. This is the power of embracing a new identity. This is what it means to truly destroy the old you and rebuild yourself.